Jiangxi Jindieli.packaging Company attaches much importance to research development and is skilled at design. In the recent years, our company keeps researching, developing, and expanding new products and new technology, combined with the trends of the times, integrates Internet plus IoT plus traditional manufacturing, promotes QR code tracing function of packaging, and increases product added values. Jindieli team with leading concepts always communicates with global customers in real time so as to grasp the most up-to-date and complete industrial business information about perfume, wine, cosmetics, gifts, jewelry, and so on at home and abroad, and meet the market demands to the maximum as quickly as possible. Decades of experience provides us with an acute vision of mainstream fashion and allows us to create the packaging products most suitable for customers. Jindieli Packaging strictly selects the raw materials, control the production, and examine with the ingenuity of the new era to ensure that each product is a fine work. Our company always sticks to the principle of product quality first. We will carry forward the past and open up the future, sticking to the missions and integrate the excellent Chinese culture into product packaging, combined with the Belt, the Road, so as to exhibit Chinese elements to the whole world and realize the perfect integration of Chinese and Western cultures.